Introducing the Nova 5G box, the next generation of high-performance, customizable, and ultra-secure 5G networks. A revolutionary product designed to power academia, private networks, and research institutions. The Nova 5G box is a compact, all-in-one solution that provides reliable and ultra-fast 5G connectivity for a wide range of use cases. Whether you're researching the future of mobile technologies, setting up a private enterprise network, or exploring the possibilities of smart cities, the Nova 5G box is your gateway to cutting-edge 5G solutions. With its modular design, the Nova 5G box is simple to deploy, easy to manage, and fully scalable. Plug-and-play installation means you can be up and running in no time, without the hassle of complicated setups or expensive infrastructure. For academic institutions and research labs, the Nova 5G box offers an unparalleled testing environment for experimenting with next-gen technologies. Whether it's edge computing, IoT devices, or AI-powered applications, Nova 5G box delivers the speed, reliability, and flexibility needed to foster innovation. Private network players can leverage the Nova 5G box to ensure secure, high-speed data transmission for mission-critical operations. From healthcare to logistics, Nova 5G box provides a dedicated 5G network for businesses, keeping data secure and performance optimized. Imagine a smart city powered by the Nova 5G box, connecting IoT devices, autonomous vehicles, and real-time data analytics to improve the quality of life for residents. From traffic management to environmental monitoring, Nova 5G box enables the infrastructure of tomorrow. With built-in remote management capabilities, the Nova 5G box allows you to monitor and manage your network from anywhere in the world. Whether you're in the lab, office, or at home, stay in control with cloud-based software that ensures peak performance. The Nova 5G box, powering the future of connectivity. Ready to take your network to the next level? Get in touch today.